In this video, I'm going to share some ideas on how to announce your new business idea to your friends, your family, your prospects, and your future customers. On this channel, I talk a lot about personal branding, business strategy, marketing, and travel. And if any of those topics interest you, I encourage you to stick around and check out some of my other videos. I would even love for you to subscribe or hit the bell to be notified when I post next. Now on to some creative marketing announcement ideas. In Cabo, and the question comes from Paula, who asks, Phil, I've got a brand new business and I'd love your perspective on how I should let the world know about it. Paula, that is exactly what we're going to talk about today. Whether you're shy or whether you want to shout it from the rooftops, this video will have an actionable takeaway for you to go and announce it. Before you decide how to announce your business, you should have a positioning statement for it. I have a worksheet that you're going to love with 4 important questions to position your brand the right way, and I'm going to link to that in the description below. Once you've filled that out, it's time to start talking about announcement ideas, starting with the first one. Idea number 1, make it mysterious. People love secrets. They love when secrets are revealed, and there's a way to capitalize on this more enigmatic approach. Here's your plan of action. At least 30 days before, set up an email provider. I personally love ConvertKit, which I'll link to below, and this way you can start to collect email addresses. 25 days before, you want to create a landing page. You could use WordPress or Squarespace, and you want to use copy, something like, I'm about to make a big announcement, sign up below to hear, or sign up to be the first to know. 20 days before, post on social media about the upcoming announcement and make sure you link to the landing page. 15 days before, email as many contacts as possible and link to your landing page and use a template like this. Hi, insert their first name. I hope all is great in your world. How are you doing? I'm emailing you because I've been working really hard on something that I'm excited about. Since you're someone I trust, I want you to be one of the first to know. If you're interested in knowing the second I announce this big secret, can you please sign up here? Then you'll include the link and something like appreciate your support. 10 days before, post on social media and ask people to guess what they think you're going to announce. Obviously, don't forget to, again, link to your landing page so people can sign up to be the first to know. 5 days before, email your list and let them know the wait is almost over and they're about to find out within the week what it's all about. Also prompt them to guess what they think your announcement is going to be about. 24 hours before, send out an email that lets them know they're going to find out within 24 hours. Then it's announcement time. The big email will let your audience know what the announcement is. That's what I'm calling the mysterious approach. Next, idea number 2, sneak peeks. We see this a lot on platforms like Instagram, where someone creates a product or a program, and through their content, they reveal. I encourage you to do the same and do it on your priority platforms, whichever are most important for your business. Do it over the span of 1 week, and here's what you're going to post. 7 days before, a video announcement. Let your followers or email subscribers know about your new business. Ask people to share their latest challenge, which is relevant to your business, and you'll answer it in your next video. 5 days before, record a video, could be pre-recorded or live, or it could also be a blog post where you answer some of the most interesting questions that you receive. 3 days before, share a sneak peek. Could be a new office, a website, or even a team member. You might even want to share behind the scenes photos from a recent photo shoot. 2 days before, share more teasers and let people know that it's going to be launched or announced within 48 hours. Then it's launch time, the big announcement on social media and on your newsletter. We've talked mysterious, we've talked reveal, and now it's time to talk about a third idea. Idea number 3, create a countdown clock. Sometimes less is more, and there are few things more exhilarating than a countdown clock. If you're not one for the spotlight, don't fear. You can post a countdown clock to your landing page or to your Instagram stories, and I recommend doing it about 48 hours before to get people pumped up. A tool like Sendrick, which I'll link to below, makes this easy and free. Then when it comes time for the big reveal, all you need to do is post. Simple. Idea number 4, rally your friends. Create a sincere blog post or social media post about the announcement and why this business venture matters to you. Then message your friends, family, advisors, and colleagues with a heartfelt message encouraging them to share with their audience. That will help you build your tribe by asking them to help. For example, here's a message that you could share with them. Hi, and then insert their first name. I try not to ask for favors often, but I value your support more than you will ever know. I just made an announcement about my new business on social media, and I'm experiencing all the feels right now. If you have time, would it be possible for you to share one of these social media posts and spread the word? I really believe in the potential of my business and appreciate you so much. I think you'd be surprised by how willing people are to contribute or to help, especially if you don't ask for favors that often. Now, the final idea. Idea number 5, reward early adopters. This is where you reward early supporters of your business with something extra great. So think about something you can give them, the first 10, 20, 50, or 100 people. Here are some preliminary ideas. A free product, like how Girlfriend Collective launched their very first legging. A free consultation call if you're launching a consulting business or a service business. Free group coaching access. Free online course access. Access to a free Skype or Zoom party. Exclusive access to a private Facebook group. Or a discount coupon code. And the list goes on. The key here is to make sure there's a sense of urgency. So say, for example, the first 100, so they take action right away before the opportunity disappears. Now I want to know from you, what is your new business idea, if you're allowed to share it, and which announcement style that I've mentioned resonates most with you. I would love to hear, put it in the comments below. I respond to those personally, and I cannot wait to hear. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more from me, and next I'm going to link to some videos that I think you're going to find useful. I'm Phil, thank you for hanging out with me today, and here's what's coming up next.